Today, we're diving deep into the world of Setmore, a popular appointment scheduling software, and tackling a question that pops up a lot. Does Setmore have intake forms? It's a vital question for anyone managing appointments, especially if you're in fields like healthcare, beauty, fitness, or consulting, where pre-appointment information is not just convenient, but often essential. Let's set the scene. You're running a busy practice. The phone rings constantly, emails pile up, and in between managing your calendar, you're trying to figure out how to gather crucial details from new clients. Do they have allergies? What are their goals? What services are they interested in? Traditionally, this meant a clipboard, a pen, and a stack of paper forms. Or perhaps a series of back-and-forth emails trying to gather the right info. It's clunky, time-consuming, and prone to errors. This is where the power of digital intake forms truly shines. Digital intake forms automate this process. They allow clients to fill out necessary information securely online, at their convenience, often right after they book an appointment. This saves you time, reduces administrative burden, and ensures you have all the facts you need to provide the best possible service from the moment they arrive. But not all scheduling platforms offer the same level of functionality when it comes to these forms. Some have robust, customizable solutions, while others have more basic options or require integrations with third-party tools. So where does Setmore stand in all of this? The short answer is, yes, Setmore does have capabilities related to intake forms, but it's important to understand the nuances of what it offers. Setmore's approach to intake forms is multifaceted, combining built-in contact fields with various methods for incorporating more comprehensive forms, often through integrations. Let's break it down. When a customer books an appointment through your Setmore booking page, there's a standard customer intake form that collects basic data fields. This includes essential contact information like name and email address, which are always required. Beyond these defaults, Setmore allows you to customize the customer contact fields. You can choose to show or hide certain fields, and even mark specific ones as required or optional. This is fantastic for gathering those initial pieces of information that are always necessary, like a phone number or perhaps a preferred contact method. You can also add custom contact fields to collect extra details that are specific to your business. For example, if you're a therapist, you might add a field for reason for visit. If you're a salon, perhaps hair type. These custom fields appear under additional information in the customer intake form. However, a truly comprehensive intake form often goes beyond just contact details. It might include multiple choice questions, checkboxes for agreement to terms and conditions, open-ended text areas for detailed responses, or even file uploads for documents like insurance cards or previous medical records. This is where Setmore's direct built-in functionality reaches its limits for complex forms. This doesn't mean you're out of luck. Setmore is designed to be highly integratable, and this is where it really opens up possibilities for sophisticated intake forms. Setmore allows you to link to external forms through various points in the booking process. Think of it less as a native, fully featured form builder, and more as a powerful scheduling platform that plays well with dedicated form building tools. Here's how you can leverage Setmore for more comprehensive intake. Firstly, you can add a form to the confirmation screen of your Setmore booking page. Once a customer successfully schedules an appointment, they land on a confirmation page. Setmore allows you to add a callback label and URL in your booking policies. This means you can create a link with descriptive text, like, complete our pre-appointment form, and direct clients to a form hosted on a separate platform. This is a very common and effective method. Secondly, you can embed a form link into your terms and conditions. Many businesses require clients to agree to certain terms before an appointment. If one of your terms is to complete an intake form, you can display a form link within the T&C's pop-up. This ensures clients see it and can open the form in a new tab immediately after reviewing your policies. Thirdly, and perhaps one of the most reliable methods, is to include a form link in your automated email confirmations. When a new appointment is booked, Setmore sends out an email confirmation to your client. You can customize your email signature or the body of the confirmation email to include a direct link to your intake form. This serves as a strong reminder and a convenient way for clients to access the form, especially if they missed it on the confirmation screen or in the terms and conditions. Fourthly, and this is where the real automation power comes in, Setmore integrates with Zapier. Zapier is an automation tool that connects different apps. By using Zapier, you can set up automated workflows that trigger when an appointment is booked in Setmore. For example, you could configure a Zapier integration to automatically send out an email containing your intake form link from a third-party form builder to the client immediately after they book. This streamlines the process significantly, ensuring the form is delivered efficiently without manual intervention. So, what kind of third-party form builders are we talking about? Popular choices that integrate well with Setmore via these methods include Jotform, Typeform, HubSpot Forms, Paperform, and SurveyMonkey, among many others. These platforms offer a vast array of customizable form fields, logic jumps, conditional questions, and even e-signatures, allowing you to create highly tailored and professional intake forms that capture all the necessary information for your specific service. Let's consider some practical examples. If you're a massage therapist, your intake form might ask about areas of tension, allergies to oils, or any pre-existing medical conditions. A personal trainer could use an intake form to gather details about fitness goals, current exercise routines, and dietary restrictions. A consulting firm might use it to understand a client's business challenges, objectives for the consultation, and relevant background information. In all these cases, gathering this data beforehand allows you to prepare adequately, personalize the experience, and make the most of the appointment time itself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.